So now we're going to create a half double crochet. Always start with your slip knot and your foundation chain, which we're going to do 5 chains. By yarn over, then go through the stitch and pull through. This is going to give you 3 loops on the hook. Then you're going to yarn over and pull through all 3. Yarn over, go through the stitch, pull through, then pull, yarn over and pull through all 3 stitches, all 3 loops. You're going to repeat this, and this is going to create a half double crochet. So once again, a half double crochet, you're going to yarn over, then go through the next stitch, yarn over and pull through all 3 stitches. And at the end, make sure you verify you have the same number of stitches to make it even.